Hello, viewers. Good morning. I believe that it's been a stunning morning so far for all of you guys, and we're going to do some great thing today after the talk. Because today we have a guest. After bringing so many experiences in industry, finally she decided to start helping other HR professionals to be successful in HR role. So now she's a lecturer of human resource management at Marcus Oldham College. And I'm pleased to introduce you today, Kat Gorman. Hi, Kat. Kat, how are you today?
Good, very well, thank you, and hello, everyone.
All right. So if you want to build your career in HR field, this is a great stream for you to watch. If you want to, you are also already in, want to do an organizational development, or you want to do your future career forecasting in any field, we're going to talk about it too, because Kat, we're going to talk about it. Now we're going to jump to the Q&A section. So there's a lot of great questions. Let me look through what are the good questions I'm going to take first. All right. So first question. I am a student and I'm in the final year. I was doing few internships about sales and marketing because it's easy to find. But I want to be an HR professional, so I'm looking for my first job in HR field. What will be your advice for me? My major is about right now is about administration. It's not a typical in HR field. If you want to share me what are the skill sets probably I need to build for that, would be very valuable. Her name is Chang. She's from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam.
I'm always glad to hear that someone's interested in working in HR. Look, I would say it's great that you're getting experience, and you know, don't underestimate the value of transferable skills. So I mentioned that before, but the ability to pick up skills in one working environment, or even in a different working functional team. Skills that you're learning there, you will bring across into a HR role very easily. You know, it's all the same. It's organisation, it's administration, it's, you know, process flows. All of those things are just as important as HR as they are in marketing. From an entry-level perspective into HR, the field of HR is very broad. It can be anything from recruitment to payroll to HR operations, which is really employee details and managing those sort of bits and pieces. It could be immigration, you know, if your company is employing people from other countries. It could be learning and development, or organisational development, and talent management. So, or OH&S, health and safety. Huge area of functional areas that sit within HR. My advice to anyone looking to get in at entry level is to start in one of those fields, those functional, because over time you will then get to experience the others and find out which one suits you the best. I myself started in recruitment. I worked as a recruitment consultant for a recruiting agency, so I wasn't in-house. I was recruiting into organisations, and through that is how I sort of got to experience. I went from external recruitment into an internal recruitment function, and then moved around the HR operations to get my experience and become what's classed as a HR generalist, where I know a little bit about every area of HR. And then I found the areas that I really liked and focused on, which is talent management and what we class here in Australia as industrial relations or employment law. So yeah, that's really my advice to you. That was a long answer, but you know, don't underestimate the skills that you're getting, but start applying for those entry-level administrator roles or officer roles in those core functional areas of HR, and you'll very quickly get to move around.
Thank you. I think it's a great valuable. So now I just want to summarize. Number one was about you have done a lot of internships, relate to your skill set, prepare your right CV to show that you are focusing in HR. Make it transferable. Create a really great CV for that. Number two, learn the HR business model. So the HR has a lot of functions, and you can be specifically have focus 1, 2, 3, top 3 your interest. Maybe not, like maybe some of them are not interest for you. So you focus on that one. And what Kate told before, have multiple version of CV for each of them. Do not send the same CV. Number 3, I mentioned about you could consider about external as well too, not only internal. So she already mentioned about you can join a recruitment agency, which is a lot more easygoing compared to probably joining a very multinational company internal HR. So you could think about it, how to go, or maybe you are early, you're students. That's amazing that this is the time for you when you can start them early. So now probably you can just trying to get an internship job directly in HR. Use your 6 months to do that, and then bring it on your CV and use it as leverage to get into a multinational company. And start learning about HR role. So this is going to be very important. Learn the level law of Vietnam. So that will help you out. Number 6 is you mentioned about, of course, you're going to apply for entry level job. Don't apply for a senior level job because that's not going to end up anywhere. Because it doesn't mean that you are not going to get it. I just don't want to demotivate you. You're going to get it, but let's prepare for it, enter it, and then you can flourish it, and then you can move up. Be patient. Play a game of long term, not just instant gratification.
And you probably wanted to see the whole podcast episodes where we share a lot of strategies. So don't forget to click this video right now so you can see the whole episodes where we share a lot of strategy. Click the video right now and I will see you there. Are you a leader or an HR professional? So for you, this is a great channel. So don't forget to subscribe